Black holes haunt the universe from the darkest depths of space. Regions of infinite gravity that nothing can escape. So what if you made one? To make a black hole in your backyard, we must first see how they are made the regular way. To create a black hole, we first take some of the most massive stars in the universe and let them run out of fuel. The extreme amount of gravity causes the star to collapse onto itself. Electrons and protons in the atoms of the star are pushed together. The result, one of the most powerful explosions in the universe. The energy expelled is so large that a literal massive nothingness is left. A black hole. But what if you don't happen to have a supermassive star in your backyard? Just use your couch. Black holes have extreme mass, but that does not make it unique. It is their infinite density that defines them. So, all you have to do is take your couch and begin squeezing. Keep on going until it is the size of a proton. At this point, you will have on your hands a tiny black hole. You can feed it to make it bigger or just leave it as is. But having an unstoppable, infinitely dense, space-time crushing little black hole in your house poses a new problem. What if you fell in?